Hello everybody and welcome to the course Object-Oriented Programming with TypeScript, the complete course. We're going to begin with lecture for defining classes. Inside this lecture, we're going to make an introduction to object-oriented programming. We'll see how we can define classes, how we can use fields and properties. As well, we're going to review the constructors. After that, we're going to check different access modifiers in TypeScript. And we're going to complete this lecture with encapsulation and enumerations. Alright, so let's begin with introduction to object-oriented programming. So classes in object-oriented programming, they're basically real-world objects and they define attributes and behavior. Attributes, this is the state, properties, and fields. And behaviors, they are the methods and operations of that class. Classes are usually describing the structure of the real-world object, and objects describe particular instance of that class. Properties, they can hold information about modeled object relevant to the problem. And operations, they implement the object's behavior. Now, class in TypeScript can have members like fields, constants, methods, properties, and constructors, and many others. Each member can have different access modifier. Inside TypeScript, we have public, private, and protected. They are defining the scope of our member inside the class. Members as well could be static, which is common, or specific, which are per instance. So this is for a given object. Here an example of simple class definition. So what we have is class person that has one field, constructor, and method. So how we're defining it? First we're saying class person, and then we open curly brace and close it here. Inside it, I'm saying protected, which is the access modifier. After that, the name of my field, which is underscore full name. And then I'm defining the type, so 2 dots string. And that's how I'm creating protected field inside my class, which is from type string. After that, I have a constructor, and I'm saying this constructor has full name, which is from type string. And what I'm doing inside this, well, I'm just setting this field to the value that we receive from the constructor. So this dot underscore full name is equal to full name, so to this one. After that, I define a method, and actually, sorry, I define a property. And what I'm saying, first I'm placing my access modifier, which is public. Then I'm saying get, because I want to have this get property. And I'm saying get full name and empty bracket. So anytime when you access person dot full name, you go inside this get. This thing is returning a string, and that's the syntax. So first you have your access modifier, then get or set, depends what from property you want to set. You have full name with brackets, and you say that you return string. What we're doing inside this property when I'm saying return this dot underscore full name. Another example of class definition in TypeScript. So first I'm saying class student extends person. What that means? Well, this means that the student is inheriting the person. So we're going to receive all its public and protected fields, and we can access them from here. Inside it, I'm saying that I have a field which is from access modifier private with name underscore university, and this is from type string. Then I have a constructor. Inside this constructor, I'm receiving full name, which is string, and university from string. Then what I'm doing? Alright, we know that here I'm setting the university. But what means super from full name? Well, in TypeScript, super is actually calling the constructor of the class that we inherit. So super from full name will call the constructor from person that is receiving full name. So we'll call this one. And why we need it? Well, because I don't want to repeat everywhere that code. I have it only once. That's why after that I can just call it with super keyword from the children of the person class. Then I'm having a get property, and I'm saying public get university, which is returning string, and this returns my field. Then I have a method. How I'm defining the method? I'm saying public the name of the method with brackets and what I'm going to return. So 2.string. Inside it, I'm just returning a string and I'm saying, hello, my name is, with that full name. I study in the, and here we have university. We're placing these strings inside, actually we're placing our variables inside the string with string interpolation. An important thing is, in TypeScript, you can have this instead of single quote. And when you have this character, it means that you can have the string on multiple lines. So class definition and members. Each class definition consists of class declaration, inherited class or implemented interface, where we have constructors, fields, which could be static or not, and properties, which could be static or not. To the end, we have methods, which again could be static or per instance.